Facing the worst is when entrepreneurs do their best. A decade ago, the GFC destroyed my business in a matter of months. I had my head in the sand. Recessions happen all the freaking time, right? For whatever reason, I just had not planned for that kind of contingency, and my business was fragile. 20 years in business have now taught me that recessions are actually reinventions. The entrepreneurs that do well are the ones that lean in to the process of transforming their business while everyone else is waiting to see what happens. Leaders don't wait. What I learned then helped me build a multi-million-dollar global small business. What you do in the coming months matters more than ever. If you're holding on to the past and you're resisting change, you're going to find this period exceptionally difficult. But if you're embracing reality and you double down on building a better version of your vision, your values, and your value proposition, this will be a massive opportunity for you like it was for me 10 years ago. But you've got to show up as the signal in the noise. When COVID started to seriously impact businesses and the economy, I decided to design a web class to be able to help business leaders navigate the chaos. So if you're in reinvention mode and you're looking to make the most of these crazy freaking times, then join one of my talks. There's more on what I cover in the links below. All you got to do is 3 things. Be brave, have fun, it's gonna make a dent in the universe.